Hi Independent, my name is Andriy Priverzev, I'm from 22 Masters Agency. I'll show you how to connect your phone with drone wireless. Just things you need is your phone, drone and the battery. Let's start. I connect the battery to drone. Next, open the FPV app. Click to controller. Wait few seconds and here we go. Click expert mode. I'll show you how to rotate this motor number 2. Tap motors, tap motor direction, accept the notion and tap 2. I also change direction of motor, reverse, forward. So you have access to change the settings in the same way as if you were connecting from your computer. That's all. If you like this video, please click like button now. See you in the next videos.